The Universe cards, number 26, Galaxy Collision. Keyword, conflict. Interpretation. When two galaxies collide, both are affected by the process. The huge forces involved fundamentally alter the nature and shape of both galaxies. The size of each galaxy means that they both generate large amounts of gravity. Even if one galaxy is much bigger than the other, both parties are irrevocably changed by the encounter. If you draw the Galaxy Collision card number 26, you may find yourself also on a collision course with another person or group. Although the collision of two galaxies is a physical event, the Galaxy Collision card symbolizes collision on a more abstract level, the conflict that occurs in relationships between people. You may get drawn into conflict with another person for any number of reasons, but whatever the circumstances, you will probably feel that the situation was in some way inevitable or unavoidable. It may be that the conflict is no one's fault, or you may feel convinced that you are right and the other person has erred against you. Irrespective of the circumstances, this conflict will be highly disturbing for both parties, and like the galaxies, both parties may be irrevocably changed. Although you may feel upset by the conflict, it is wise to remember that ultimately these encounters can be very creative and that they can clear the air between people. The conflict may release feelings that have been building up for a long time. In these circumstances, it is better that the issue is out in the open. Try to approach the conflict as an opportunity for balance. No matter how convinced you are that you are in the right, try to accept that both sides must accept some responsibility for the conflict. Imagine you are the other person. What must they be feeling about the situation? Do not allow your personal sense of injury or aggrievement to cloud your judgment. While confronting may be necessary in situations of conflict, try not to let things degenerate into point-scoring exchanges of insults, where you may say things you do not mean and may later regret.